Imagine you're standing at a roundabout, a familiar intersection where cars move in a circular path. Think of this roundabout as our 8032 network ring. Each road leading into and out of the roundabout can represent different ports or pathways for traffic. Now, if you're standing on one side of this roundabout and face a specific direction, you'll have a road on your left and another on your right. In the context of an 8032 ring, think of these two directions as the east and west ports. So, let's break it down. In a network ring, data packets circulate just like cars in a roundabout. Imagine that each data packet has a destination, like a car heading to a particular exit. To ensure efficient and predictable movement, each switch or node in the ring assigns its outgoing ports based on the direction of data flow. In the 8032 ring, traffic flows from one port and loops around the network back to the starting point, if needed. The east and west ports are labels that define the direction of travel for data from each node's perspective. Imagine standing at one entry point on the roundabout. Let's call the road on your right the east port and the road on your left the west port. In our roundabout, we want to avoid two cars trying to enter the same lane from opposite directions to prevent a crash. Similarly, the east and west labels in an 8032 ring prevent data loops. Each node recognizes and uses these labels to direct traffic efficiently, avoiding looping issues. Think of your router as the traffic controller at this roundabout. It sends packets out of the east or west port based on the destination. If one direction becomes congested or fails, let's say there's road construction on one side, the router automatically directs traffic to the other side, ensuring continued flow just like detouring around the roundabout. So, in an 8032 ring network, the east and west ports are like designated exits on a roundabout. Each switch or node designates directions, east or west, to manage data flow smoothly, prevent loops, and handle detours when necessary. By visualizing the 8032 ring as a roundabout with assigned directions, we simplify the concept of east and west ports. This directional setup ensures data flows efficiently around the ring without collision, keeping the network traffic steady and reliable.